If you've ever felt like you're constantly working, yet somehow never getting ahead, this video is for you. I'm going to share the 5 financial shifts that help me earn more while working less and create the kind of calm, abundant life I only used to dream about. Stay with me because these are the shifts that finally gave me my freedom. I remember sitting at my desk one night with a bunch of spreadsheets, completely exhausted. I was making good money as an accountant, but I had no time to actually live. I wanted to travel, homeschool my kids, and build something online, but I felt trapped in the cycle of doing more just to keep up. That's when I started changing the way I approach money, not with hustle, but with strategy. What happened next completely reshaped how I earn and live. Most of us were taught that making more money means working harder. Longer hours, more clients, and more stress. But that belief keeps so many women stuck, exhausted, underpaid, and overextended. The truth? You shouldn't get paid for hours. You should get paid for value. Once I stopped trading time for money and started creating value through digital products, automated systems, and smarter income streams like affiliate income, everything changed. As an accountant, I've seen it over and over. When women stop equating busyness with worth, their income finally starts to rise. The second shift was simplification. I used to chase every opportunity. New side hustles, extra clients, endless projects, but more isn't always better, it's just louder. When I cut out everything that didn't move me closer to freedom, I started earning more from fewer things. Simplify your offers, automate where you can, and let go of the noise. I've helped other women do this inside my coaching sessions, and every time the relief is instant. The third shift is building flexible, remote income streams. For me, that started with Pinterest and digital products because I wanted income that I could travel with. And if you're ready to build remote income without burnout, grab my free guide, 15 Remote Job Ideas. It's linked in the description. The fourth shift was realizing my energy is currency. Every choice, every yes, it all adds up. Once I started protecting my peace like I protected my income, everything in life got lighter. I like money to feel peaceful, not stressful. Because the calmer I am, the more creative, confident, and capable I become. And the last shift, creating space for money to grow. I stopped micromanaging every dollar and started focusing on alignment, like choosing projects and clients that matched the life I wanted, not just the paycheck. That's when my relationship with money softened. I didn't have to chase it anymore. I could let it grow. And growth doesn't have to be dramatic to be real. Start small. Even saving or investing 5% more each month can open doors to the life you've been dreaming about. The key is consistency and faith that slow growth is still growth. So to recap, the 5 shifts that helped me earn more and work less were redefine productivity, simplify to scale, build flexible remote income, protect your energy, and create space for growth. These are the same shifts that help me step out of survival mode and start building a softer, more intentional life, one that finally feels like mine. At the end of the day, it's not about working harder, it's about shifting how you think about work, money, and your worth. The moment you start believing you can earn peacefully, everything changes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'll leave links below to my free resources along with the tools I created to make remote income and financial peace easier for you. I'll see you in the next video.